LG 108 centimeters, 43 inches, 4K Ultra HD Smart LED TV 43 UR 7500 PSC review. The LG 43 UR 7500 PSC is a 43-inch 4K Ultra HD Smart LED TV that combines modern design with advanced technology to deliver a compelling home entertainment experience. This TV offers a host of features designed to enhance viewing pleasure, from its high-resolution display to its smart functionality. Below, we explore the key aspects of the LG 43 UR 7500 PSC, providing an overview of its performance and features, followed by a balanced summary of its positives and negatives. Design and build quality. The LG 43 UR 7500 PSC is encased in a sleek, dark iron grey finish, which adds a contemporary touch to any living space. Its slim profile and minimalistic design ensure that it blends seamlessly into various room aesthetics without overwhelming the space. The TV's narrow bezels maximize the screen-to-body ratio, providing an immersive viewing experience without unnecessary distractions. Display and picture quality. At the heart of the LG 43 UR 7500 PSC is its 4K Ultra HD display, boosting a resolution of 3840 x 2160 pixels. This high pixel density delivers sharp, vibrant visuals with impressive clarity. The TV employs LED backlighting technology to enhance brightness and contrast, resulting in deeper blacks and more vivid colors. The 43-inch screen size is well-suited for medium-sized rooms, offering an expansive view without dominating the space. The TV also supports HDR, high dynamic range, which improves the range of colors and contrasts, making the content look more realistic and engaging. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or playing a video game, the HDR feature ensures that every detail is rendered with greater accuracy. Smart TV features. The LG 43 UR 7500 PSC is equipped with a robust smart TV platform powered by LG's WebOS. This intuitive interface provides easy access to a plethora of streaming services such as Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, and YouTube. The TV includes built-in Wi-Fi, enabling seamless connectivity and smooth streaming without the need for additional devices. The inclusion of AI-based functionalities enhances user experience. For instance, the TV's voice control feature allows you to navigate through channels, adjust settings, and search for content using simple voice commands. This hands-free operation adds convenience, particularly when multitasking. Connectivity and ports. In terms of connectivity, the LG 43 UR 7500 PSC offers a variety of ports to accommodate multiple devices. It includes HDMI ports, USB ports, and an Ethernet port. The HDMI ports allow you to connect external devices such as gaming consoles and Blu-ray players, while the USB ports enable you to view multimedia files directly from a flash drive or external hard drive. Additionally, the TV supports Bluetooth, allowing you to pair it with wireless audio devices like soundbars and headphones for an enhanced audio experience. Audio performance. The TV's built-in speakers deliver a decent audio performance, though it may not rival the clarity and depth of high-end sound systems. The audio quality is adequate for casual viewing, but for a more immersive sound experience, connecting an external soundbar or audio system is recommended. Ease of use. The LG 43 UR 7500 PSC is designed with user-friendliness in mind. The remote control features a simple layout with dedicated buttons for popular streaming services and settings. The WebOS platform is intuitive, with easy navigation and a user-friendly interface that even beginners can quickly get accustomed to. Energy efficiency. The TV is designed to be energy efficient, consuming less power compared to older models. This not only helps in reducing electricity bills but also contributes to environmental sustainability. Positives.